Hey folks, I lied. We're back. We're going for one more. We are hitting up Horseshoe Falls. This is kind of like what I've been driving on a lot of the path in here. This rocky gravel and oh, my poor car. But man, it's been so much fun. El Michelle? Yeah, the cool air and the breeze is gone. So we think it's going to rain soon. There are possible scattered storms throughout the area. Looks like it is.
Before it storms.
The birds are chirping.
Well, yeah.
I just made that up.
Shush.
You were going to say what?
Usually before it storms, the birds do chirp before it storms.
I was right.
But usually before it storms, the wind dies down.
Yeah, the calm before the storm.
I hear the falls.
I can hear them.
We must be close.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoy nature videos because there's a ton of them, right? Oh, yeah.
Well, it's not that far of a walk. We're only 0.07 miles.
No, it sounds close. And then we're going to have like a 20-degree grade cliff to go down or something, right? I sure hope not.
Right
hey,
here.
there were no danger signs, so we'll see.
Some of the other falls we went to, it said danger.
The dangerous overlook and...
Dangerous overlook, and we went down there.
Yeah.
Well, not all the way down, but...
Oh, nope, I see the water. It's way down there. We'll see you guys when we get there. We like danger. Danger's our middle name.
It's muddy again.
Isn't it funny we have the same middle name?